Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and brings you the latest news from the world of astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share with you a fascinating story about the James Webb Space Telescope and its incredible discoveries. As we gaze up at the night sky, we're reminded of the vast expanse of space that lies beyond our planet. The James Webb Space Telescope has been instrumental in helping us understand this vastness, capturing stunning images of galaxies, stars, and planets that are light years away. And now, a new book called Webb's Cosmos showcases some of the telescope's most breathtaking images. This coffee table book is more than just a collection of pretty pictures. It's a journey through space and time, taking us to distant galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters. With its advanced spectroscopy capabilities, the James Webb Space Telescope can analyze the light coming from these objects, revealing secrets about their composition, distance, and even their history. One of the most fascinating aspects of Webb's Cosmos is its exploration of gravitational lensing, a phenomenon where the light from distant galaxies is bent and distorted by the gravity of foreground objects. This effect creates stunning visual effects such as arcs of light and multiple images of the same galaxy. By studying these distortions, astronomers can learn more about the distribution of mass and energy in the universe. The book also features breathtaking images of our own solar system, including a wide-field view of Jupiter with its faint rings and two tiny moons, Amalthea and Adrastea. And for those interested in the life cycle of stars, Webb's Cosmos offers insights into the birth and death of stars, as well as the formation of heavy elements in supernovae explosions. As we delve into the wonders of Webb's Cosmos, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring beauty and complexity of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope has opened a new window into the cosmos, allowing us to explore and understand the workings of the universe in ways that were previously impossible. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we're exploring the wonders of the universe and the latest developments in space exploration. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we have some fascinating news to share with you. Just as families were gathering around the table for Thanksgiving dinner, a crew of astronauts was launching into space, bound for the International Space Station. NASA astronaut Chris Williams and Roscosmos cosmonauts Sergei Kuzvorchkov and Sergei Mikhayev blasted off from Kazakhstan on Thanksgiving Day aboard the Soyuz MS-28 spacecraft. Their journey to the ISS was a successful one, and they arrived just in time to join their fellow astronauts for a holiday feast in orbit. But as we celebrate this remarkable achievement, there's also some news that has raised concerns about the future of the International Space Station program. The launch site in Kazakhstan, known as Site 31, suffered significant damage during the launch, which could impact the ability to conduct future Soyuz missions. This is a critical issue, as the Soyuz spacecraft is currently the only vehicle capable of carrying crew members to and from the ISS. The damage to Site 31 has also raised questions about Russia's commitment to the ISS program, particularly in light of the country's ongoing conflict with Ukraine. With resources being diverted to support the war effort, there are concerns that Russia may not be able to devote the necessary funds to repair the launch site and continue its participation in the program. This could have significant implications for the future of the ISS, which relies on a partnership between NASA and Roscosmos to operate. The loss of Progress cargo missions, which are used to resupply the station and maintain its altitude, could be particularly problematic. While U.S. cargo vehicles, such as SpaceX's Dragon and Northrop Grumman's Cygnus, may be able to fill some of the gap, it's unclear whether they can completely make up for the loss of Progress missions. As we watch this situation unfold, it's a reminder that space exploration is not just about the technology and the science, it's also about the politics and the international cooperation that makes it all possible. The coming months will be critical in determining the future of the ISS program, and we'll be keeping a close eye on developments. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, we find ourselves on the red planet, Mars, where a fascinating discovery has been made. NASA's Perseverance rover, which has been exploring the Jezero crater region since 2021, has detected something that scientists believe could be lightning on Mars. This phenomenon, often referred to as mini lightning, was picked up through audio and electromagnetic recordings made by the rover's SuperCam instrument. The research team, led by Dr. Baptiste Chaid from the Institute for Research in Astrophysics and Planetology in France, analyzed 28 hours of microphone recordings over 2 Martian years. They found that electrical discharges were commonly associated with dust devils and dust storm fronts. These small whirlwinds, formed from hot air rising from the ground, can give rise to internal movements that lead to electrical discharges. This discovery is significant because it suggests that Mars, like Earth, Saturn, and Jupiter, has atmospheric electrical activity. The implications are vast, affecting our understanding of Martian atmospheric chemistry, climate, habitability, and even the future of robotic and human exploration on the planet. For instance, the electrical discharges could play a role in destroying organic molecules on the Martian surface, which are the building blocks of life. They might also explain the rapid disappearance of methane on Mars, a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for some time. As we look to the future, with plans for humans to set foot on Mars, understanding these electrical discharges becomes even more critical. Scientists will need to design instruments and equipment that can protect both the robots and the astronauts from these mini lightning storms. Dr. Chaid poses an intriguing question. In the long term, isn't there a risk that the suits of the astronauts who stay on the Martian surface for a long time will be damaged by these discharges? It's a challenge we'll need to address as we venture further into the Martian frontier. The search for life beyond Earth is one of humanity's most profound quests. Mars, with its ancient rivers and lakes, presents a compelling case for where life might have thrived in the past. The discovery of lightning on Mars adds another layer of complexity and wonder to our understanding of the red planet. As we continue to explore and learn more about our celestial neighbor, we're reminded of how much there is still to discover and how small yet connected we are within the vast expanse of the universe. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.